Hello, Carmelans. Before you get into this fantastic video about how to cut up a cute t-shirt, I need you to subscribe, like, and share my videos. I would greatly appreciate it. How's everyone doing today? This is a different video from the video that you'll be seeing at the end, because I forgot to add how I achieve the cage look on my sleeves of my t-shirts. Enjoy. Once you fold two of your sleeves over one time, you should cut up to the thread at the end of your sleeve. Cut both of your sleeves at the same time. That way you will have a seamless design on your sleeves, and both sleeves will match perfectly. My niece is walking back and forth on the video. That's why I decided to put a mosaic to cover that up. I'm sure you guys didn't want to see that. When you're cutting your sleeves to achieve the cage look, you can cut those strips as wide or as thin as you would like. However, if you cut those thinner than what I'm doing, which is about an inch long or an inch wide, you may rip it when you're spreading or pulling to create the rope look. Cut the tip of each one of your tassels on the end. Then tie each one as tight as you can. You want to tie these at least 2 times and pull the ends of your tassels taut. This creates a elongated string effect. To determine the length of your cuts inward on your t-shirt, try your t-shirt on first. Take your hands and measure, and use that as a guide on how deep you want to cut in on your t-shirt on the side. I turned the t-shirt inside out and hand stitched underneath each arm for a seamless look. Look at these tassels, aren't they cute? I love it.